Hello everyone, this is Ananya Sharma, and here's a question for you. Did you know that nearly 90% of our decisions are driven by mental shortcuts rather than logic? In psychology, these shortcuts are called cognitive biases, and they silently shape how we think, judge, and act. Think about it. Confirmation bias makes us seek only what we already believe. Anchoring bias locks us into first impressions. Availability bias lets vivid memories outweigh facts. Hindsight bias convinces us the past was obvious. Optimism bias downplays risk. Negativity bias magnifies loss. The halo effect lets one trait define everything. Self-serving bias protects the ego. Framing bias changes meaning through words. And authority bias persuades us to obey without question. These 10 biases are not just theories in textbooks. They are core to psychology, influencing diagnosis, behavior, and human judgment. That's why, over the past 2 years, Aeterna Consultancy's expert consultants have helped more than 100,000 students master psychology assignments on cognitive biases, turning confusion into clarity and marks into mastery. Because when you understand how the mind tricks you, you don't just study psychology, you think like a psychologist.